Hi, welcome to the Success Seeds. There once was a little girl named Lily who tried to discover her own voice. She felt puzzled and unsure about her identity and life goals. Lily was always surrounded by individuals who gave her advice on what to do and how to behave, and she struggled to escape their influence. Lily made the decision to travel alone to the mountains one day. She prepared her belongings and left on a trip to find who she really was. Lily enjoyed a sense of freedom she had never known as she hiked into the forest. She got the chance to connect with herself because she was free from the demands and expectations of other people. Lily came to the realization that she had been ignoring her own thoughts and feelings for far too long while she sat atop a mountain, staring out over an incredible landscape. She had always been reluctant to express her actual thoughts and desires out of concern for criticism or rejection. But at that precise time, Lily decided to listen to her inner voice and follow its lead. She started focusing on her life and what she desired for herself by journaling, meditating, and spending time alone. Every day that went by, Lily felt closer to and more inclined to believe her inner voice. Ultimately, Lily came home with a newfound confidence and feeling of self-awareness. She was no longer scared to express her opinions and defend her convictions. Lily had finally discovered her own voice, which had given her the confidence to follow her passions and lead an authentically happy life. Since that time, Lily has nurtured her inner voice, which has guided her on a journey of self-realization and development. She encouraged everyone around her to follow her lead by connecting with themselves and discovering their own inner voice. The tale of Lily serves as a reminder that every one of us possesses an inner voice that can direct us toward contentment and fulfillment. To connect with it can occasionally take time and effort, but the journey is worthwhile. We can live authentic lives and discover meaning and purpose by listening to our inner voice. Thanks for watching. For more such videos, please subscribe.